We had a lot of beautiful summer weather here in Germany, and it came so suddenly that my legs weren't really ready to be shown in short dresses. So I figured I'd show you my routine to tan smooth summer legs. I like to start with dry brushing. I use the Mio body brush. This has synthetic and natural bristles, and I did a whole video on dry brushing that I'm going to link in the description box and on the card. And then I try to go smooth and hair-free. And that I do by epilating. I'm using the Brown Silk Peel, which has several speed settings and is really effective, as you can see in this kind of gross, hairy close-up that I'm showing you here. To keep my legs smooth and prepare for the self-tan that I'm going to use, I stick to a body butter. And the one that I'm currently using is by Sephora. I like it because it has a fresh scent, it smells a little like cucumber, and is not too rich, just creamy and rich enough to keep my shins soft and moisturized. For tanning I have two options. If I need emergency quick bronze on my legs, I reach for the Guerlain Terracotta Sunless Heavenly Bronzing Mist, which is a spray-on tan that you just spray on, as the name would suggest, and that I distribute using a tanning mitt by Saint-Tropez. It does not have a guidance color, so be really careful to distribute everything evenly. If I have a little more time, let's say around a week, I build up my tan gradually, and for that I'm using the Saint-Tropez Gradual Tan Classic. Using it daily will build up a nice tan within the course of a week. Using it every 2 or every 3 days will keep a tan alive and make it look smooth and perfect.